Now I am going to dictate a legal passage based on latest judgment of the Calcutta High Court at the rate of 120 words per minute. Let's start. This application under Article 227 of the Constitution of India is at the instance of the defendant numbers 1 to 6 and is directed against an order being number 41 dated July 11, 2024 passed by the Learned Civil Judge within bracket Junior Division First Court, Howrah, in title suit number 114 of 2022 para. By the order impugned, the application for amendment of plaintiff stood allowed para. Opposite party number 1 herein filed a suit being TS number 114 of 2022 praying for declaration of title in respect of a scheduled property and for a further declaration that the petitioner and the pro forma opposite parties herein who are the defendants in the suit do not have any right to block the common passage as described in Schedule B, and for permanent injunction the petitioner and the pro forma opposite parties herein are contesting the said suit by filing a written statement denying the material allegations contained in the plaint. The opposite party number 1 herein filed an application for amendment of a plaint and the petitioner contested such application by filing a written objection para. The learned trial judge allowed the application for amendment of plaint and some of the defendants have approached this court challenging such order para. Mr. Chatterjee, learned advocate for the petitioner, contended that the application for amendment of plaint was failed at the stage of cross-examination of the defendant witness number 1 and the plaintiff has not given satisfactory explanation as to why the application for amendment could not have been filed before the commencement of trial. He further contended that the facts which were incorporated by way of amendment were all within the knowledge of the opposite party number 1 prior to the commencement of trial, and therefore the proviso to order 6 Rule 17 of the Code of Civil Procedure within bracket for short the code stood attracted in the case on hand. Mr. Chatterjee submitted that the subject matter of dispute in the suit is with regard to the scheduled common passage and the proposed amendment is beyond the scope of the instant suit. He contended that an amendment seeking to set up a new case or a new cause of action should not be allowed if the suit on new case or cause of action is barred. In support of such contention, he placed reliance upon the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in B.K. Narayan Pillai versus Parmeswaran Pillai and another, reported at within bracket 2001 SCC 712. Mr. Chatterjee submitted that the doctrine of constructive notice shall apply against the plaintiff and the support of such contention. He placed reliance upon the decision in the case of M.D. Nurul Hoda versus Billy Raifun Nisa and other, reported at within bracket 1996 7 SCC 767. He contended that the facts leading to the challenge thrown to the registered instruments were within the knowledge of the plaintiff and issued to set aside such a registered deed of gift would be barred by limitation. As on the date of filing the application for amendment, he contended that without recording any finding as contemplated under proviso to order 6 Rule 17 of the Code, the learned trial judge ought not to have allowed the amendment in support of such contention. He placed reliance upon the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in Pandit Malahari Mahale versus Monica Pandit Mahale, reported at within bracket 2020 11 SCC 549. Mr. Chatterjee contended that by way of the amendment, the plaintiff sought to introduce a totally different, new and inconsistent case which would ultimately change the fundamental character of the suit, which is impermissible. In support of such contention, he placed reliance upon the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Bashavraj versus Indira and others, reported at within bracket 2024 3 SCC 705. Stop. Thank you.